I'm reviewing the Bronx lighting LED for sewing machine light. I already measured it, and there's certain points marked that you cut once you measure how it will fit on your specific machine. Now, peel off the tape and back. So, this piece came separate. It's a switch and power to cord. Plug it in and turn the switch on. Good lights. Turn it off. Now I'm going to turn all the other lights off. See how it looks. It's really bright light. This is with part of the room lights off. There's no overhead lights, or lights aren't very close. The light kit gives a lot of extra light that'll really be nice when sewing. I really like it. I give it 5 stars. And disclaimer, I received a discount for my honest and unbiased opinion. It was very easy to put together, very nice.